Let's open the package. Device. Quick guide, plug and cable. To 10,000 mAh batteries. Remote control, accessories, extension cable, battery charging cable. Operation guide. Remove the cover. Input. SD card slot. Turn this to remote mode. This is for the battery. Connect the device to the power. Power on. Normal mode. Turn the switch on. Find the reset button. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds until the red light double blink. Remote control mode. Turn the switch to remote. Long press the on button until the red light double flashes. Open settings. Find the blink Wi-Fi. Enter the password 0123456789. Open the app. Add your device to your home Wi-Fi. Choose 2.4G Wi-Fi. Please check the attention. You must choose Keep the Wi-Fi. Then you can control it remotely.